Hello everyone, if you're getting this error when you're trying to install Hytale, error applying update to game, error moving past files to destination, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So this problem can occur due to a variety of issues, so I'll show you 2 to 3 solutions of how you can fix it. The first solution is you're going to disable or uninstall Reason Labs antivirus. So if you have Reason Labs antivirus on your computer, you're going to go ahead and uninstall it from your computer. You don't need it. Windows Defender is enough. So just open up your start menu, right here, add or remove, and then search for Reason Labs on here. After that, uninstall it from your computer. And once you're done with that, now you can try to install your game. If you don't have Reason Labs antivirus on your computer, then you can just disable Windows Defender while you install the game. So just open up your start menu right here, Windows Security, and then go into Virus Threat Protection, go into Manage Settings here, turn off Real-Time Protection, turn off Dev Drive Protection, turn everything off while you install the game. And after you're done with the installation, now you can turn everything back on again. And the last thing you can try to do is you can try to run the Hytale launcher as administrator. So when you're trying to install your game, just try to run the launcher as administrator. So just right click on Hytale's launcher, click run as administrator, and then click yes, and then try to install the game. Also, you can try to install it in a different location. For example, if you have the game on C, try to install it in your D drive. If you have it in your D drive, try to install it in another drive. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.